हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मेसी पाठशाला। तो हम पहले कार्डियोवास्कुलर सिस्टम के एमसीक्यूज के पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 देख चुके हैं। अब हम देखते हैं पार्ट 3। तो नेक्स्ट, द फॉलोइंग ड्रग इज यूज्ड टू रिड्यूस द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ एंजिना पेक्टोरिस एज वेल एज टू टर्मिनेट एन acute attack. The right answer is A. Isosorbide dinitrate. The next question. Anti-anginal drugs afford the following benefit. The right answer is D. Both A and B are correct. The next question. Choose the correct statement about the action of nitrates on coronary vessels. The right answer is B. They preferentially dilate conducting arteries without affecting resistance arterioles. Next question. Organic nitrates have predominantly vasodilator action because the right answer is B. Benz express larger quantities of enzymes that generate nitric oxide from nitrates. Next, organic nitrates relax vascular smooth muscle by. The right answer is A. Increasing intracellular cyclic GMP. Next, blood flow in the following vascular bed generally decreases under the influence of glyceryl trinitrate. The right answer is C. Renal. Next question. Select the organic nitrate which undergoes minimal first pass metabolism in the liver. The right answer is C. Isosorbide mononitrate. Next, the primary mechanism of beneficial effect of glyceryl trinitrate in classical angina pectoris is. The right answer is C. Reduction of cardiac preload. Next, nitrate tolerance is least likely to develop with the use of. The right answer is B. Sublingual glyceryl trinitrate. Next question. Glyceryl trinitrate is administered by the following routes except. The right answer is C. Intramuscular. Next question. Select the drug which can markedly potentiate the vasodilator action of organic nitrates. The right answer is D. Sildenafil. Next question. A patient of acute myocardial infarction being treated in intensive care unit developed a left ventricular failure with raised central venous pressure. It was decided to use glyceryl trinitrate. Which route method of administration would be most suitable? The right answer is D. Slow intravenous infusion. Next question. A patient suffers from episodic pain diffusely localized over the chest and upper abdomen, which is relieved by sublingual glycerol trinitrate, he could be suffering from. The right answer is D. Any of the above. Next question. Started within 4 to 6 hours of acute myocardial infarction, which of the following drug can reduce the area of necrosis and the attendant mortality? The right answer is D. Both A and B are correct. Next question. The dihydropyridines block the following type of calcium channels. The right answer is A. L-type voltage sensitive channels. The next question. The antidotal effect of sodium nitrite in cyanide poisoning is dependent upon. The right answer is C. Conversion of hemoglobin to methemoglobin by sodium nitrite. The next question. Which of the following drugs is most likely to accentuate variant angina? The right answer is A. Propranolol. Next question. The characteristic feature of dihydropyridine calcium channel blockers is. The right answer is D. All of the above. Frequency dependent cardiac calcium channel blockade is exhibited by. The right answer is A. Verapamil. Next question. The following calcium channel blocker is specifically indicated to counteract cerebral vasospasm and neurological sequelae following subarachnoid hemorrhage. The right answer is B. Nimodipine. Next question. The following calcium channel blocker should not be used in patients with ischemic heart disease. The right answer is C. Nifedipine soft gelatin capsule. Next question. The following anti-anginal drug is most likely to produce tachycardia as a side effect. The right answer is B. Nifedipine. Next question. The cardiac response to verapamil and nifedipine in human subjects is. The right answer is C. Verapamil causes bradycardia while nifedipine causes tachycardia. Next question. The following is true of nifedipine except. The right answer is B. It promotes sodium ion retention by a renal tubular action to cause ankle edema as a side effect. Next question. Which of the following is not an attribute of amlodipine? The right answer is A. Generation of an active metabolite. Next question. The following is true of nifedipine except the right answer is B. It promotes sodium ion retention by a renal tubular action to cause ankle edema as side effect. The next question. Which of the following is not an attribute of amlodipine? The right answer is A. Generation of an active metabolite. Next question. Propranolol should not be prescribed for a patient of angina pectoris who is already receiving. The right answer is C. Verapamil. Next question. The short-acting dihydropyridine preparations can aggravate myocardial ischemia by invoking. The right answer is D. Reflex sympathetic discharge to the heart. Next question. Which of the following drugs is a potassium channel opener? The right answer is A. Nicorandil. Next question. Though nitrates and calcium channel blockers are both vasodilators, they are used concurrently in angina pectoris because. The right answer is B. Nitrates primarily reduce preload while calcium channel blockers primarily reduce afterload. Next, select the drug which is a potassium channel opener as well as nitric oxide donor. The right answer is D. Nicorandil. Next question. Select the drug that may improve myocardial tolerance to ischemia and reduce anginal attacks without altering heart rate, blood pressure, or myocardial oxygen consumption. The right answer is A. Trimetazidine. Next question. Choose the correct statement about trimetazidine. The right answer is C. It is an anti-anginal drug which acts by non-hemodynamic mechanisms. The next question. A drug which preferentially dilates autoregulatory coronary arterioles with little effect on large conducting vessels is likely to. The right answer is A. Evoke coronary steal phenomena. Next question. Coronary steal phenomena has been noted most frequently with. The right answer is B. Dipyridamole. Next question. The following drug is believed to improve microcirculation in peripheral vascular diseases by promoting RBC flexibility. The right answer is C. Pentoxifylline. थैंक यू। अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर और कमेंट करना ना भूलें। हाँ, और बेल आइकन अवश्य प्रेस करें ताकि अगली आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके।